Okay, and I worked example 11. Look, exact same equation as worked example 10. The only difference is now, look, we're looking to express G. Maybe you're doing this calculation for an object that is not located on the Earth, and you're looking now to work out the respective value of G on that planet. If you write the equation out fully, we end up with, E is equal to M times G times H. And again, I'm just going to do this step by step to start off with. So let's say we do, of course, want to express G's, want to leave the G on its own. Maybe we want to eliminate the mass, first of all. It doesn't really matter whether you eliminate the mass or H. It's whatever works best. I'm just going really from left to right. So if we divide the right-hand side by M, of course, we need to naturally divide the left-hand side by M as well. Now again, any number divided by itself would cancel out to give us 1. So those two cancel out 1. And then, of course, 1 times G is just G, and then GH. We'll see the right-hand side just becomes GH then. So the left-hand side then becomes E divided by M is equal to, and then look, we've eliminated the mass. So the right-hand side just becomes GH. Again, we are looking to, express G, or sorry, rearrange for G. And so I now want to try and eliminate the H on the right-hand side. And to do that, I'm going to have to divide the right-hand side by H. And if I divide the right-hand side by H, I must also divide the left-hand side by H as well. Again, any number divided by itself will cancel out to give us 1, and then 1 times G, of course, just leaves us with G. If I'm going to write this out fully, then like you end up then with E divided by H is equal to G. Fully done. Always want to tidy that up. Just bring your G over to the left-hand side is equal to your GPE, or your energy, in this case, divided by, just a bit of a slip there. That final variable should, of course, be H. That's it. Job done. You can, of course, sub in your respective numbers, and you'll get your value of G in newtons per kilogram. Of course, just want to very quickly outline that's perfect step by step, and that is definitely the method you want to get used to when you're first rearranging these equations you've only entered into your GCSE studies. But if I did want to go through that process a little bit quicker, I'm just going to write the equation out fully. So E is equal to mgh. We really want to end up, getting G in its own. And we can really do, like, again, 2 variables in one go. So if I wanted to get rid of the M and the H in one go, I can literally divide by mh. And if I want to divide the right-hand side by mh, of course, I must also divide the left-hand side by mh as well. Now again, that means that the 2 masses cancel out to give us 1, and the 2 h's cancel out to give us 1, and then this 1 times G is G, G times 1 is just G, so again the right hand side just becomes G. So that becomes energy. Your GPE is equal to, or divided by mh is equal to the value for G, and then just tidy that up just a wee bit. G is equal to your GPE, your energy, divided by mh. Again, job done. You can sub in your respective numbers now to work out the value for gravity.